All right, let's talk about the forecast because, of course, we have the big concerts this weekend. We have the Three Rivers Arts Festival starting and a lot of graduations as well. Let's head to First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright with how it's looking. Trey.
Yeah, Christine, I think most of the weekend will be in decent shape, but we do want folks to pay attention as we head into Saturday afternoon and evening. Make sure you do have a way to receive warnings, as we could have some strong to severe thunderstorms work their way during the late afternoon and evening hours, scattered to numerous severe thunderstorms. And the main threat with these will be strong wind gusts, along with some very heavy rain with any of those storms. The Storm Prediction Center has placed most of western PA from areas from roughly the Turnpike, Pittsburgh Metro, north toward the I-80 corridor in a level 2 out of 5 slight risk of severe weather. That just means scattered severe thunderstorms are expected. This isn't an outbreak necessarily, but could see a few severe thunderstorms as a pretty strong upper level disturbance heads in from the west across our region the next couple of days. This is Saturday's system. It's way out west right now over the northern Rockies, and so we have several days to watch it. We still have this area of high pressure that's going to keep us with the dry conditions, but this will be the system as it moves across the northern high plains and into the Great Lakes states. That'll give us our thunderstorm chances as we head into Saturday. We are still under the influence of high pressure. Skies are mostly sunny, and we are warming up with dry air in place this afternoon. Our forecast high today will reach 84 here in the city of Pittsburgh, low to mid 80s elsewhere across western PA, with mid to upper 70s as you work your way into the higher terrain of the Laurel Highlands and the ridges. We'll have another mostly clear to partly cloudy night. Temperatures drop down into the mid to upper 50s to near 60, so a little bit warmer than this morning. And then once that high pressure starts to move off to the east, we're going to tap into a stronger southwest wind through the day tomorrow, and that will advect warmer air into our region, with temperatures working their way back into the mid to upper 80s. But it'll be a dry heat, no heat and humidity. We really start to see that moisture level go up Saturday morning, and as early as Saturday morning we could see a few scattered showers, but this isn't the severe stuff. These will just be showers associated with the warm moist air moving in between 7 a.m. and noon. And I think after the 2 to 3 p.m. time frame, as this disturbance moves in from the north and west, that's when we see our thunderstorms develop, first starting up along the I-80 corridor, and then this activity will grow upscale into line segments as we get closer to the 5 to 6 p.m. time frame, moving through the Pittsburgh region and into the Laurel Highlands and the ridges, and then after 7 p.m. in our southern counties, moving into northern West Virginia. Rainfall amounts on average with this system between 1/4 to 1/2 inch. We could see some localized heavier amounts, especially where those thunderstorms track, although we're not necessarily concerned about widespread flooding due to how dry it has been across our region. As we look ahead to next week, once the cold front comes through, we will move back into some drier, more comfortable air. So a quick hiccup with those storms on Saturday. There is a first alert for that potential of some of those turning severe. Otherwise, on Sunday, a high of 83. A stray thunderstorm is possible in our southern counties as the front works its way south in the morning. And then we have some drier weather moving in early next week, but it will be warm with highs in the mid to upper 80s.